So I recently upgraded my sink strainer, which is a silly thing to talk about, but we're adults here. We have to do things like this. So I had one that I used for about a year that worked pretty well, but it was really difficult to clean and it was just okay. So I upgraded to this one, and so far I'm really impressed with it. It has a really kind of satisfying push button method in order to stop the water from draining or to let it drain down. It also has this removable basket, which is my opinion is a little bit easier for me to clean. So you can just, without even touching the gross food in there, you can just pull the basket out, dump out the food, put it back in, you're good to go. But it seats really well also on my sink, meaning that it holds the water back a little bit better than even my old one did, because this is kind of an aftermarket third-party thing that is supposed to universally fit into all sinks. So some of them work better than others. The only gripe I have with this is that this stands proud of the actual drain. So if, let's say, you're filling a pot and you want to set your pot inside of your sink, you can't set it in the middle because this thing is in the way even when depressed. So you have to take this out, set your pot in, fill it up, put this back in. It's a tiny little gripe because everything else it does well, but I would love for that to be flush. But I've upgraded my sink drain. This thing works really well for me, and I would definitely recommend it.